Bang Plikera Troxia Song Japan, Arpu Kepekpen ASDCSRT Ketap, Mai Pu Holiram Terang, Kong Chun Bang, Jotson Bay. Nithama Parman Cultural Institute Haflong along District Industry and Commerce Center Haflong Atumpen Exhibition Kapadopon. France adet Ari Solapen Okortang Hornbill Arongaje Kalangdun Pen Karbiang Long Nangkibur. Kardom Nilikat News at 7 na Birtalong Pen Durmi BP Nonarjekta Birtang Ton Pen Bang Plikera Troxy Asongja Pomarapan Kaprek Arpu Pexi Autonomous State Demand Committee Asarti Tapon Tanglo Matijong Krepo Arni ASDCSR Hemalong Songja Pomar Lapen Perang Kiangbong Kachinki Kachatana Hula Soalam Pachataklo ASDC Kechari Japan Kadokowe Bang Plikera Troxy Asongja Pomarapan Kaprek Arpu Pexi ASDC Kenkam Kimi Kekampang Chengponlo Bang Plikera Troxy Angbong Holiram Terangpan Maipu Chomang Krolapen Maya Singh Dologapu Bang Hinia Pandun Maipu Jotson Beapang Konchun Bang Dhoram Singh Teron Chandrakanto Terang Sona Singh Terang Sanjoy Kiling Samuel Ronghang, Hem Singh Tiso, Daniel Teron, Apu Tisopi, Ram Singh Tokbi, Bang Sirkebapan Kongchun Bang, Premson Beapan Dihin Rimbang, Nelson Teronapan Sai Hemchun Bang Lapen Manjit, Karigapsa Pan Bang Puarpu Pekpon, ASDC Riswa Mai Kichengia Lam Tap Herangkia Mai Long Songja Tumpachatak, ASDC Penakimang Lapen Katsongja Lam Ta Mai Pukimi, Holiram Terang Pen Pachini.
We had delegates from Karbiang and Dimahasao. The inaugural proceedings started with the unfurling of the party flag at 3 p.m. and paying tributes to party leaders and members, with special mention to Dr. Sachin Terang. On behalf of the outgoing Central Committee, welcome the delegates, guests and new members joining the party. The NRC update korar prokriya to bilombo koratutei gom poa jay je Bharatiya Janata Party kendro sarkar ba Asomor sarkare asolte prokito ekhon nagorik panji hoatu bisora nai.
Non-Hedjong Nithama Parman Haflong Rongsubi Cultural Institute Hall along 2017-18 Aningkana Parman Dimahasao District Industry and Commerce Center Haflong Pen Patir Piponsi Synchronizing with Handicraft Week Kapaman Pon Abirta Haflong Pen Nangpale NCHAC IEM ST Jem Rangkol Pen Kangpupon Ajaimek along Hum Inkora Nerkep ISHG Atum Pen Chatongdun SHG Pen Nithama Parman Exhibition Kebipon along Asamangkang Penangan A District Pen Pindeng Sumpot Jangsai, Nothengpi, Jarong Hai Hui Penchenglok, Penangan Hormuk Kechor Kelanpon Padu, Haflong District Industry and Commerce Center General Manager, Milina Terangpi Pen Lamche Kejai Ponpi, SCG Atum Pen Exhibition Kebipon Esek Penangan Hormu Nanglo, Lasikewangja Parahut Kepir Ketek Anatu, Ansuse Kachihungji Apan Alang Lihin Pen Lamte Jai, Exhibition Kebi Kapajut Arni, Kejor Kelan Kebidun Atuma Pan Nong E Satame, Pipa Chirpon Pusi Birta Ripdun Long. Nagaland Hornbill Arongaje Kalangdun Pen France Arisola Pen Okorjang Banghini Karbiang Long Nang Wurpen Bukolia Edonahem Boha Dotekang Talo Troxy Lapen Langroy Kriketom Nang Kapen Nagaland Hornbill Arongaje Nang Kalangdun France Adet Ariso Sibili Rimebold Arta Inkora Ketom Lapen Okorjang Bryce Gurin Arta Inkora Sirkep Karbiang Long Nang Wurpen Bukolia Edonahem Along Boha Dotekang Alang Litum Hornbill Arongaje Kindu Lapen Karbiang Long Amekaratum Kiru Kathai Kemea Putak Ningje Dampen Ning Arong Opusi Ningje Tekang Alang Litum Asama Putak Lam Arjan Kasalam Chia Panta Aning Kahang Chapaklang.
I started my journey in India 3 weeks ago.
Okay. In India, how many states or cities you have visited already?
In India, we came to Calcutta, and then we took a domestic flight to Guwahati. We rented a bike to go to a Hornbill festival after. So we saw all the parts before Nagaland and in Nagaland.
How is Assam?
Assam is amazing. I've been to the national park and we saw all those wild animals, and even my cousin were surprised that we see that much wild animals. Like as soon as we were inside the park, we saw like 10 animals directly, so it was just amazing. It's because after seeing the national park, I heard about people going in the park during the night and killing them for their own, and I didn't know about it, but then I was like, I thought it was inhuman to do this, and I really want to defend this kind of subject. So that's why I would like to make a film about it, to make people understand it shouldn't happen.
You stayed in Karbi Anglong district last night. How is Karbi Anglong?
Well, it's amazing because people make you feel so welcome, and it's really different from my culture because I'm French and people are not like this. They don't make you feel that welcome. So it's just a good feeling, yeah.
দুজন পৰ্যটকক লগ পালো ফ্ৰান্সৰ পৰা আহিছে বকুলীয়া ঘাটতে লগ পালো সন্ধিয়া হৈছিলে তেওঁলোকে ক'ত থাকিব কিদাই চিন্তা কৰি আছিলে এনেকুৱাতে ভাবিলো লৈ যোৱাই ভাল তেনে মোৰ গৃহলৈকে লৈ আহিলো সন্ধিয়া প্ৰায় 7টা মান বজাত লৈ আহিলো তেওঁলোকক যেহেতু আমি অতিথি পৰে আৰু গতিকে আমাৰ ভালো লাগিছে লগ পাই ভাল লাগিছে 23 বছৰীয়া এজনী ছোৱালী ডকুমেণ্টাৰী ফিল্ম কৰে আৰু এজন সায়েন্টিষ্ট আছিলে তেওঁলোক এজনকে লৈ আহি তাতে ৰাখিলো ঘৰ ৰাখি মেলি খুৱাই বাই ৰাতিপুৱা পঠিয়াই দিছো আৰু ভাল লাগিল কি তেওঁলোকে এটা উদ্দেশ্য লৈ আহিছে যে অসমৰ সৌন্দৰ্য কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ সৌন্দৰ্য আৰু অসমৰ এশিঙীয়া গড়ৰ ওপৰত যিটো আমাৰ গৌৰৱ তাৰ ওপৰত তেওঁলোকে এটা ডকুমেণ্টাৰী ফিল্ম কৰিব আৰু সেই কাৰণে বেছি ভাল লাগিলে তেওঁলোকে এইটো কৈছে যে গণহত্যাৰো হ'ব নালাগে তাৰ ওপৰতে বেছ কৰি পেলাই এখন ডকুমেণ্টাৰী কৰিব ভাল লাগিলে আৰু তেওঁলোকক খুৱাই পাই পঠিয়াই দিলে
motorcycle pen kewang arisola pen okorjang matijong cricket home arnisi bukolia pen shillong anat pangnolo Siloni janalong matijong ni pai creeply arni northeast range kapar loang kang Siloni janalong thengpi kang hua birta joy pen arjulong si ajo por phai trokra achitima por malom Karbi Anglong pen golaghat an ke ponji pua porahut forest range officer bibison tok bila pen range staff atum pen kang hupona thengpi kelongdun Northeast Forest Range ki parwai ingnam along ingnam rai kom sai phula pe chokomaratum thengpi thengprang pen an parta akapre ason rai kom pi bon bomlo lasto jo Karbi Anglong ingnam pen ason hormu ki pon kanghu atuma phan sitami pen an hem kang sam thaplo non hejong sitami ajo por hud golakhat district pen banga khayatum nanglang plot pen thengpi kang hosai ki klem pon bom hud ranger tok bila pen ingnam rai kom chokomaratum pen kilang chari duna jok Karbi Anglong pen golakhat an ki pon bom siguna thengpi bank thomplep an khang dun long lo Birta long. Pini Kat News at 7 Birta Bangkala Pon Sekang Ton Pon Iglo, Lang Ibum Kat News Channel, Domay Tagmay, Kurwang 2.